Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss how to prosper in difficult situations. Learn the path to prosperity. Prosperity means flourishing in many fields, being successful to fulfill goals with good health, happiness and peace, acquiring good fortune, meaningful relationships and social status. However, need for prosperity in different areas differ from person to person. It may differ in different lifestyle stages, even for the same person also. A business person may find prosperity in customer satisfaction. Student may find prosperity in qualifying examinations with flying colors and getting a job or starting a business, being independent. Early adulthood person may find prosperity in getting promotion in job and earning more money. Similarly, middle adulthood person may think to be prosperous in developing their children with better education, inculcating social values. Senior person may feel prosperous if they can enjoy financial freedom, have good health, enjoy life every day with peace. Teachers may think they prosper in making others prosperous. Teaching is a profession that builds all other professions. Sages, seers, and monks realize prosperity in practicing divine values, and prosperity in spiritual field is most important to them. In general, prosperity may encompass developments in many areas like economic, health, happiness, behavioral, spiritual. Mere success in any field is not prosperity, and generally it encompasses all the fields together in totality. Earning from money by deceiving someone is not prosperity. It should be earned in the right way. Development of character strength and virtues and being able to show personal value and earning trust of many people is also prosperity. Swami Vivekananda, Swami Mukundananda, Prabhu Gaur Gopal Das, Mystic Sadguru, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, like that many established persons have told or are now contributing a lot to the world by making people more spiritually strong. They have sacrificed their life to bring out the spiritual idea among the people. They are prosperous in their own field. So you define how you want to prosper. It may be economic prosperity, social status, health and fitness, happiness and peace, spirituality. After selecting any such topic where you need to prosper, you need to improve your skill sets to achieve your goals. So you may like to see the James Allen Free Library and learn the 8 pillars of prosperity with their main ingredients. So what are those eight pillars? Let me tell you. First pillar is energy. Second pillar is economy. Third pillar is integrity. Fourth pillar is system. Fifth pillar is sympathy. Sixth pillar is sincerity. Seventh is impartiality. Eighth is self-reliance. Now let us see one by one. In energy, promptitude, vigilance, industry, earnestness. In economy, important factors are modernization, efficiency, resourcefulness, originality. In integrity, important factors are honesty, fearlessness, purposefulness, invincibility. In system, readiness, recurrency, utility, comprehensiveness. Sympathy, kindness, generosity, gentleness, insight. Sincerity, simplicity, attractiveness, penetration, power. Impartiality, justice, patience, calmness, wisdom, self-reliance, decision, steadfastness, dignity, independence, like that. In general, to be prosperous in any field, you must have ambition, ideal and focus linked to strong will. So 3 things: ambition, ideal and focus. That should be linked together to strong will. You must determine what you want to achieve. As Adams George Matthew has stated, you can do everything, effectively contributing each day. Do something each day, contribute towards achieving your goal. So, in the book, The Prosperity Bible, authors have highlighted to focus on some aspects which you will appreciate to be very rewarding, very, very rewarding. I have gone through that book and I feel it is really fantastic. And it gives a lot. For example, maintaining good health, character, learning from mistakes, giving due value to time, taking responsibility, learning desire, sincerity, courage, faith, enthusiasm, positive thinking, promptness, greed, that is getting brain, heart and soul for a concerted attack on failure. So Prosperity Bible is really Bible for achieving prosperity from all angles, in all fields. So stay away from imitation rot, have a great vision, show your own personality, ability to dream, and a strong determination to never quit until goal is achieved. You will certainly be prosperous. Thank you. Wish a prosperous life.